Hello guys, hope you guys are doing well again. Today I will discuss study topics. Supposed to be discuss study. It's like Mother's Day, but today I'm discussing. Sorry for that. And I would like to thank all the guys who watching my video before. And yet again, if you like my video, again like and subscribe. And especially sorry for those guys who cannot understand Hindi. In middle I will speak some Hindi words as well. आज का टॉपिक मदर्स डे है। मदर्स डे हम क्यों सेलिब्रेट करते हैं, क्या ये ज़रूरी है सेलिब्रेट करना? एक दिन के सेलिब्रेशन से हम मदर के उस लव अफेक्शन को नहीं आँक सकते। वी कैन नॉट एक्सप्रेस आवर फीलिंग्स ओनली वन डे, बट इट्स जस्ट अ सिंबल दैट वी आर केयरिंग आवर मदर्स एज वेल. We know that mother is the one who is first attached with our child and with whom he or she express his emotion, his feeling, his love, his sorrow, his joy, everything. So keep loving your mothers. She is, you can say, the first teacher in your life. And there are so many examples. You will see the mother, despite of all the problems, he never express his problem to his child and always support his child to grow up in the life. So today I will go to discuss the history from where it's created. I see some articles, some readings. It started in 1908 from I think United States, somewhere in Virginia, I think Grafton, Virginia. The story behind it, there is a lady that's called Anna. His full name is something Anna Jarvis, I think. Anna Jarvis, she want to celebrate her mother because her mother was willingness to say to her daughter that when I will past, please make some memorial for me. During I think it's a World War First, her mother give full support to the soldiers who wounded in that war, and she is actually fostering all those soldiers, feeding them, taking meditation, and some medical help to those soldiers. So once she passed away, her daughter started after 3 years she started a memorial for her mother, and this story started from there. So every May, I think second Sunday, this Mother's Day is celebrated, and it's debate. I think in different country it's not only the same day. They somewhere I think in Arabs and Asia, another country they celebrate in April, somebody celebrate in March. In United Kingdom is celebrated some other month. So the idea is to give some significance, give some love, affection to our mothers. हम देखते हैं इंडिया में so many जो शेल्टर होम है, वृद्धाश्रम है, वहाँ पे कितने बुजुर्ग माता पिता वहाँ पे एबेंडन त्याग दिए जाते हैं अपने बच्चों द्वारा. तो ये अच्छी बात नहीं है. अब हम भूल जाते हैं कि वंस वी आर चाइल्ड, दे आर द वन हु ग्रो अप, दे फीड अस and they take their own full responsibility, they support us, and when it's our time to come to support them, we just abandon them, we just throw away out. So this is not good. It's not humanity. This is our duty. At any circumstances we have to take care of mother, not only mother, our father, whosoever related with our family, everything. So यही मुझे कहना है कि अगर कुछ सीखना हो तो आप एक माँ से सीख सकते हैं. एक माँ से बंदा बहुत कुछ सीखता है. अगर आप देखें एक जो माँ होती है, कितनी भी प्रॉब्लम्स हो लाइफ में, n numbers of problems, she never express her problem to their child. always the mothers hiding the problems in their own life, and they try to encourage their children to grow up in your life. Always support, they always support to the children, they always support and always give some motivational theories, motivational things to their children to never give up in the life. तो हमारी और मेरी यही उम्मीद है आप लोगों से कि कभी भी माता पिता को अपनी ज़िंदगी से दूर ना करो। हमेशा आपकी जो भी सर्कमस्टांसेस हो, हमेशा माता पिता को अपने साथ रखो, चाहे आपके साथ बुरा हो, लाइफ जैसे भी आपके साथ चल रही हो, माता पिता को कभी नहीं छोड़ना चाहिए। यही मुझे आपसे शेयर करना था। दूसरा टॉपिक तो आज नहीं था, लेकिन ये चीज़ें मुझे कल शेयर करनी चाहिए थी, सॉरी फॉर दैट। और आशा करता हूँ कि अच्छा लगेगा। अगर अच्छा लगे तो लाइक सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिएगा, और कल देखेंगे कुछ और टॉपिक अगर मिलेगा तो उस पर डिस्कस करेंगे। थैंक यू गाइस, नमस्ते, आदाब, सत श्री अकाल। बी हेल्दी, बी इन योर होम, हेल्प अदर्स। थैंक यू।